What's up, YouTubers? PokeJediTrek's here. So, as you may know from my last cooking video when I showed you how to make hot fudge sauce and I declared it a fail, well, here's the thing. I actually used evaporated milk and not condensed, and you're supposed to use condensed. And today I'm going to be undergoing another attempt at making hot fudge sauce. So, let's go over what we need again. So as you know, to make hot fudge sauce, you need condensed milk, butter, vanilla extract, and chocolate chips. Well, this go around, I'm actually going to be experimenting using chocolate bars. Well, anyway, if you're using 2-3 ounces of but yeah, I will be experimenting using chocolate bars. So as long as they're not filled, that is. Anyway, let's get started. So what you're going to do is you're going to add 2 tablespoons of your butter to a saucepan, and then you're going to add half a cup of your chocolate chips or baking chocolate to the saucepan as well. So there's the butter. So I added a whole chocolate bar to the thing, and now I'm going to attempt to measure the. So here's half a cup of chocolate, so I'm going to turn on the burner to about medium to low heat, and then I'm going to stir everything together until everything is smoothly mixed together. It appears to be working. It appears to be melting pretty well. Just got to give it a little. Just got to remember, patience is a virtue. So I just got to keep stirring it around. More on the melting progress. It appears to be melting fairly well. Just got to keep. Once everything has gotten smooth and everything's thoroughly melted together, you're going to add your can of condensed milk. Alright, so everything is thoroughly melted and smooth. So now I'm opening the can of condensed milk. And I'm going to add it to the mixture. And then here we are. Yeah, because you see, the last time when I used evaporated milk, it turns out evaporated milk is actually thinner than condensed. Oops. So yeah, if you want to go back and watch my failed attempt at making it using condensed evaporated milk, go on ahead and watch the video. But anyway, once you have combined everything, you're gonna continue stirring for about 3 minutes or until the sauce is thick and glossy. Alright, so the mixture is all thick and glossy. Now you're going to add, as usual, 1 tablespoon of your vanilla extract. You're going to stir everything together. It's actually looking quite a lot better than the last time from the last time. So yeah. And now, like the last time, I'm going to get a bowl of ice cream. I'm going to top this with a bowl of I'm going to go get some ice cream. And then I'm going to get some ice cream. And then I'm going to scoop some of this sauce out onto the ice cream and sample it. See if it tastes as authentic as it should be. Alright, so here's the ice cream. Got my favorite flavor, mint chocolate chip. So, oh yeah, that is thick and hot. That is thick. Alright, let's sample some of this sauce with some ice cream. authentic. So yeah, that's essentially that's actually the right way how to make hot fudge sauce from scratch. Because if you had bought it in stores, it would have eliminated the meaninglessness of this video. So thanks for tuning in. I hope to see you next time.